everybody, it's Larry. Welcome to today's video. And well, it's not going to be today's video. Expect more today because Rootstech is going on. And oh my goodness, did it start with something incredible. Basically, you can see right here, it says hashtag choose connection. For those of us who are old, pound choose connection. Those of us that used a typewriter, kids will just look at us and roll their eyes, right? But hashtag choose connection. If you haven't signed up for Rootstech, it's free. Go to Family Search, sign up, get logged in, okay? And take advantage of this choose connection because it's going to take you right here to the choose connection page. Up here, you can find it. Up at the top, you can click home and then click connection, or on the first page, you can click on that choose connection button. And what this is going to do is let you connect with relatives who are virtually attending Rootstech. Now, if you've been trying to contact people, as part of your tree, as part of your research, and they're not responding to you through the messaging systems at Ancestry or MyHeritage or FTDNA or 23andMe or whatever, this is your chance to get direct connect. Okay, so right here, so see how you relate to your friends and relatives with our connection tool, Relatives at Rootstech. Click here, learn more. And it's going to pop up this page. It says, I've got 29,785 of my relatives have joined Rootstech. All right. And I'm going to view my relatives. Now look at this. See this? These are the people that are in live attendance that I can connect with. All right. I can message them. I can click right here and message them right now. Now, some of them, like me, are getting on and off, and they're just logged into the Family Search and stuff like that. But my relatives are signed into here, and I can get with them, and I get permission for them to see me, and vice versa. That's why they show up in this list. And so here we go. Now, not only can I look in specific locations. Maybe I have, I'm stumped here in Kentucky, and I want to, get information from the three that are in Kentucky. I get to see them right here. I got a second cousin once removed, a third cousin, and I can message them, right? I can also search by relatives by ancestor, all right? So James Joseph Collins has 2 people in attendance, all right? But looky here. I can go through any of these people, Bouchelon. Okay, so this is the ancestor that I picked, Joseph Leonard Bouchelon. And I've got Darby and Anastasia, 4th cousin, twice removed. I can message them right now. So I can actually get with them on any part of this tree, all right? Any one of these people, I can look in there as somebody I'm researching. I'm like, oh, I want to know more. I'm trying to find out more in this one section on Samuel Fitzhugh. And I've got all of these relatives who've signed in to Family Search, created accounts on Family Search. And then I can get and see the ones right here that are, live in attendance and, get with them, message them and, get messages back from them. Are they on right now? I don't know. Maybe they are, maybe they aren't. And I'm maybe missing something that tells me, are they on or not? But they've signed up with Family Search. They've been identified on the tree and their relatives. And I can actually see how they're relatives. So let's go back to the by location. Let's look at this first one. Let's look at the relationship. It pops up the relationship. It goes me through my mother. It's going to make this a little smaller here. All right. Right here. One more time. Goes to me, to my mom, my grandmother, great-grandfather, great-great-grandfather, and through here. Now, what's interesting about this is I may be about the same age here. Okay. You see here, she actually just recently passed away. People tend to live very long in this family line, especially the women. Harlan here was 91. She was over 90. Her mother was over 90. My mom, is about to be 80. I'm hoping. Although if I do, I'm going to have to exercise better because, oh goodness, sometimes in the morning. But anyway, so I've got the relative here. It tells me how they're related, and I can message them right straight away. All right. So Rootstech relatives, people that have signed up to participate in Rootstech and are logging in and out during this time. This could be that opportunity you've been waiting for. So I wanted to share this with you so that you can get a hold of this. And like I said, what's really cool is right here, that searching by ancestor. If there's that one ancestor you've been trying to figure out, you may have somebody that's in the Rootstech, signed up for Rootstech. I'm pretty blown away by this. I really am. When I look at these numbers, I don't see the 29,000. Well, maybe they are here. Some people, a lot of them in this area. But that, folks, that's just pretty amazing. They talked about this in the keynote. So if you get a chance, you can rewatch the keynote. And towards the end, he's talking about, hey, how people are connecting with the hashtag, choose connect to all the other people that are attending. Some of the machine learning, it's the relatives. And they can, set it up in this list. That's pretty darn cool. Pretty darn cool. So again, if you're trying to get a hold of some people through the other sources, maybe you see their names over here and you can message them through here because, like I said, they've signed up for Rootstech. They're going to be in, they're going to be out. Maybe they've got 2 or 3 things they're looking for, maybe on a couple of days. You might not get immediate response, but you very likely could get something in a week or two, if not immediately the same day. All right. There you have it. Go register for Rootstech if you haven't already, and then get involved with the hashtag Choose Connection. And I think you'll be glad you did. I tell you what, folks, everybody that does it, put something down in the comments below to let me know if you saw this and participated because of it. And also let me know, let all of us know, did you make a connection? Did you find some relatives there? Are there some relatives that are active in genealogy that, their registration at Rootstech, you think you're pretty positive you're going to be able to make connections in that missing tree line, that place you have a brick wall, share that excitement with us. Let us know. This is really cool. Take advantage of it. It's pretty amazing what they've done. And I wanted to get this to you as soon as I really kind of grasp the full gravity of what you can do with this. The main thing is I see some people in here that I've been trying to get a hold of in other ways, haven't been able to get a hold of them through any of the other services. One of them's actually responded back to me. And I'm really hopeful that I'm going to get something, in the next 24 or 48 hours from the others. And this is going to let me really converse with them and figure out some things on a brick wall. Hopefully it'll work the same for you too.